Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean microfiber cloth. These tools will be essential for the process ahead. First, ensure your iRobot 880 is powered off and unplugged from the charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, flip the robot over to access the bottom panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the bottom cover. Be sure to place these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the bottom cover off the robot. You'll see the battery compartment and the filter housing. For those who might find this process a bit daunting, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your robot gets the care it needs. Next, locate the battery. Disconnect the old battery by gently pulling on the connector. If you don't have a replacement battery, you can order one through our service. After removing the old battery, take your new battery and connect it to the same connector. Make sure it fits snugly. Now, let's move on to the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which should be adjacent to the battery. Remove the old filter by pulling it out gently. It's advisable to clean the filter compartment with a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris before inserting the new filter. If you require assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to make the process easier for you. Insert the new filter into the compartment, ensuring it fits securely. Once both the battery and filter are replaced, it's time to reassemble the iRobot. Place the bottom cover back on the robot, aligning it properly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. If you're in a hurry or don't want to make the trip, just a reminder, no calls, no travel, we handle everything for you. After securing the bottom cover, flip the iRobot back over and plug it in to charge. It's recommended to allow the battery to charge fully before using your iRobot again. This will ensure optimal performance. Lastly, for any repairs or further assistance needed, always remember to request a quote before repair to avoid any surprises. Regular maintenance will keep your iRobot running smoothly, extending its lifespan significantly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.